through whatever good times or bad, have stood by me.
Here's how Johnny Depp can come back after losing UK appeal. Johnny Depp was an actor and singer from the United States who is known for his varied and unorthodox film choices. As Captain Jack Sparrow in the Pirates of the Caribbean series, he gained perhaps his greatest achievement. The actor's attempt to reverse a high-profile British libel verdict over allegations that he raped his ex-wife Amber Heard will return to court on Thursday as he receives official permission to appeal.
I'm scared to death. I'm frightened and I don't know what to do. I'm confused and I want to go home.
In November, the Pirates of the Caribbean actor lost his case seeking damages over a newspaper story from 2018 that labeled him as a wife-beater. His application to have the libel case against the publishers of the Sun tabloid newspaper reviewed by the Court of Appeal in London will be heard on Thursday. Depp was forced to pay £628,000 in court fees to news company's newspapers, NGN, as a result of the lawsuit, which revealed the actor's dysfunctional lifestyle and struggles with alcohol and drug abuse. Judge Andrew Nicol, who presided over the proceedings, had initially denied him cause for appeal, but advised him that he could appeal directly to the Court of Appeal, which Depp did.
Newspaper.
So no, tell them what just happened.
And I lied.
And that you put me in the thing and you
figured
in the
it
face.
out.
Depp's counsel, David Sherburne, argued in papers lodged with the Court of Appeal that Nicol's decision was plainly false. He argued the judge had failed to examine the competing accounts of each incident of alleged violence by Depp towards Heard, or explain whether he found them proved, and if so, on what basis. However, Adam Wolanski, the lawyer representing NGN, countered that Nicol had conducted a painstaking analysis of the evidence. There is no basis to conclude that the judge failed to examine the evidence or provide reasons for his findings, he added in his submission.
He went to court to fight allegations that he beat his ex-wife, but Johnny Depp lost the case.
Following the November decision, Depp said that he had been ordered to leave the Fantastic Beasts film series, which is based on J.K. Rowling's novel of the same name. The lawsuit was called the greatest English libel trial of the 21st century, and the legal chances seemed to favor Depp. NGN used the protection of facts to argue that the 2018 article has a strong base, describing 14 alleged cases of Depp abusing her. But Depp brought the action because he said the Sun's allegations had done a disservice to the #MeToo movement it was trying to support, his lawyer David Sherburne said. His client was cited in the same breath as disgraced film mogul Harvey Weinstein. He added, "That is why he has to come here, to clear his name."
Lost the case.
And now some breaking news that we have just learned about. Johnny Depp has been fired from the Fantastic Beasts franchise after Johnny didn't win his case against the UK newspaper.
The couple's troubled and explosive relationship was revealed in excruciating depth during the 16-day trial in July, which both Depp and Heard attended. Depp shared a gruesome picture of a broken fingertip, which he said Heard caused by hurling a vodka bottle at him during a heated argument. Depp allegedly injured his fingertip, which was later reattached when he smashed a phone against the wall during the confrontation, according to Heard, a 34-year-old model and actress. Another incident involved feces discovered in the couple's marital bed, which Depp said was left there by Heard, or one of her mates, as a sick joke.
You've been following this, Matthew, haven't you?
It's an extraordinary case with, I think, a fairly extraordinary verdict. I mean, I've noticed on Twitter, #1 trend, justice for Johnny Depp.
When a friend texted him pictures of the feces with the caption, "Amber Turd," Depp confessed to laughing about it. The judge also exposed Depp to days of vehement cross-examination, during which the actor confessed to only possessing hazy memory of some events due to his drug use. Depp vehemently denied allegations that he harmed Heard while fighting an opioid problem over a 3-year period that culminated in her filing for divorce and obtaining a restraining order in 2016. In addition, he is suing Heard in the United States over a 2018 Washington Post story, in which she appeared to be a survivor of domestic abuse. Johnny Depp announced his departure from Fantastic Beasts 3 just days after losing a libel suit he filed against British newspaper The Sun in the UK courts. I wish to let you know that I have been asked to resign by Warner Brothers from my role as Grindelwald in Fantastic Beasts, and I have respected and agreed to that request, the actor posted on Instagram. Major studios are no longer willing to alienate millions of buyers for the sake of one star in Hollywood still reeling from the charges against Harvey Weinstein and the effects of the #MeToo campaign. As a result, Warner Brothers did what any studio would do and broke ways with one of the world's most bankable actors. After all, they must consider their brand. Depp was not a hill Warner Brothers was ready to die on, with 97 years in the company and $14 billion turnover to defend. Going ahead with Depp means dwelling on a $15 million defamation lawsuit he filed against his ex-wife, actress Amber Heard, in December 2018, over a piece she wrote for The Washington Post. The trial is scheduled to begin in May 2021. The actor's career, which started with 1984's A Nightmare on Elm Street, is now 36 years old. He crossed the line between bohemian bad boy in the mold of his muse, the Rolling Stones' Keith Richards, an elder statesman to Hollywood whose iconic depiction of Captain Jack Sparrow helped the Pirates franchise pull in more than $4.5 billion at the box office. And despite the fact that his exit from Fantastic Beasts 3 leaves him with only one project in development as an actor, according to his IMDb page, he has no fewer than 23 projects in the works as a producer.
A piece for the Washington Post in December detailing how her career had been damaged after she made accusations against Johnny. Johnny's lawyer says that these allegations were all a hoax to get the public to side with Amber in their divorce proceeding.
Well, Amber, you hang in there and, fight your fight and your truth, whatever that is.
As a result, a career rehabilitating job behind the camera might be his ticket back into Hollywood's good graces.